Want to practice Arabic writing? In this video you will write words that contain the letter ha. Are you ready? Let's start. In this lesson, we will introduce the letter ha. Ha corresponds to the English H, but it's much more throaty. It sounds like the sound you make when trying to cool your mouth and throat after eating something very spicy. This letter produces the sound of ih. Now try to write it with me. Ha. It's easy to write it. Let's see the three basic voweling signs when used with ha. First, here's the fatha. The pronunciation now will be ha. Next, this is a kasra. The pronunciation now will be he. And finally, there's a dhamma, it, now pronounced as hu. Listen again. Ha. He. Hu. Now, let's practice writing and pronouncing these basic voweling signs. When ha is written with fatha mark, the pronunciation now will be ha. Try to write it with fatha mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin. Habl means rope. Ha. Bi. Li. Hab. Li. Now let's join these letters together. Ha. Bi. Li. Hab. Li. Habl. And next. Hajar means stone. Ha. Ja. Ri. Hajar. Now let's join these letters together. Ha. Ja. Ri. Hajar. When ha is written with kasra mark, the pronunciation now will be he. Try to write it with kasra mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin. Hibr means ink. Hi. Bi. Hib. Ri. Hibr. Now let's join these letters together. Hi. Bi. Hib. Ri. Hibr. And next. Hikmah means wisdom. Hi. Ki. Ma. Hi. Hikmah. Now let's join these letters together. Hi. Ki. Hik. Ma. Hi. Hikmah. Hikmah. When ha is written with dhamma mark, the pronunciation now will be hu. Try to write it with dhamma mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin. Hoot means whale. Hu. Hu. Ti. Hoot. Now let's join these letters together. Hu. 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 Ti. Hoot. And next. Hummus means chickpeas. Hu. Mu. Si. Hummus. Now let's join these letters together. Hu. Mu. Si.
حمص.
The letter ha has 4 possible positions: isolated, beginning, medial, and end. Let's write them. Let's handwrite the isolated form. Here is how to write the beginning form. Like
حطب
means firewood.
ح ط ب ح طب حطب.
Now let's join these letters together.
ح طب ط ب حطب.
And next.
حليب
Means milk.
ح لي ي ب حليب.
Now let's join these letters together.
ح لي ي ب حليب.
And next.
حساب
Means account.
حي س س ب حساب.
Now let's join these letters together.
حي س س ب حساب.
Here is how to write the middle form. Like
نحل
means bees.
ن ح ل نح ل نحل.
Now let's join these letters together.
ن ح نح ل نحل.
And next.
محل
Means shop.
ما ح ل محل.
Now let's join these letters together.
ما ح ل محل.
And next.
لحن
Means melody or tune.
ل ح ني لح ني لحن.
Now let's join these letters together.
ل ح لح ني لحن.
And next.
فحم
Means coal.
ف مي فح مي فحم.
Now let's join these letters together.
ف حي فح مي فحم.
When those exception letters come before the letter ha, it will be written in the middle of the word, like this. For example,
وحش
means monster.
و حي شي وح شي وحش.
Now let's join these letters together.
و حي وح شي وحش.
And next,
رحمة
means mercy.
ر حي ما هي رح ما رحمة.
Now let's join these letters together.
ر حي رح ما هي رحمة.
And next,
لوحة
means painting.
لا وي ح هي لو ح لوحة.
Now let's join these letters together.
لا وي لو ح هي لوحة.
Here is how to write the end form. Like
قمح
means wheat.
م حي قمح.
Now let's join these letters together.
م حي قمح.
And next,
شبح
means ghost.
ش ب حي شبح.
Now let's join these letters together.
ش ب حي شبح.
And next,
نجح
means succeeded.
ن ج ح نجح.
Now let's join these letters together.
ن ج ح نجح.
And next,
مصحح.
means corrector.
مو صا
حي حي مصح حح مصحح.
Now let's join these letters together.
مو صا
مصح حح حي حي مصحح.
And next.
صحيح.
Means right.
صا
حي ي حي صحي حي صحيح.
Now let's join these letters together.
صا
حي ي صحي حي صحيح.
When those exception letters come before the letter ha, it will be written in the end of the word. Like this. For example,
مدح
means praised.
ما دا
ح
مدح.
Now let's join these letters together.
ما دا
ح
مدح.
And next.
شرح
Means explained.
ش ر
ح شرح.
Now let's join these letters together.
ش ر
ح شرح.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.
Don't forget to like this video. If you need any help, please leave a comment, and I will be glad to answer your questions.
Learning with Eman. Free Arabic course.